Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken.
Back to my channel. So this is my first Ipsy bags unboxing, and this is my first monthly subscription I signed up for, and I believe it's $10 a month and you get 5 products. Some of them are samples and some of them are the full product. So this is how the bag looks. I forgot to mention, it looks like a sporty feel. It has this blue mesh, neon greenish yellow stripe here, and a neon pink stripe. So let's open up and see what's in this bag. The first product here is the Purlisse Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. This is a mask. I will try it out and I will let you guys know on my Instagram how it is. Let me open it up and show you guys. It is a beige cream color. I never tried any mud mask, only other different type of face masks. The next product is the Ciate, I believe that's how you pronounce it, I don't know. Ciate London Fierce Flicks. This is liquid eyeliner and it has a felt tip. And here is a swatch of it. Oops, went in smudge. So that's how it is. And then I'm gonna do like a thicker line. Super awesome. The next product in here is the Furless. It came in a box and I already opened it. Loose eyeshadow pigment. It doesn't say the shade name, but it's like a purple. That's how it looks. So let me swatch it out. Very shimmery, and it has like a blue reflect to it. And the next thing is Glow for a Cause body butter. This one is in Dream, or I don't know if that's just the name. That is how it looks. Smells really nice, like a baby. It's really soft too. Very moisturizing, and it does feel like butter when you glide it onto your skin. And the last thing here is the Velvet Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is in the brand Hola Neon in the shade DF, and that is the shade I am wearing on my lips. I already opened this bag because I was too excited. Here is how the tip looks. Switch it out. It looks like a very pretty mauve neutral color, nude color. I mean. Looks really nice, and it does dry matte, as you can see. So that was my Ipsy bag for January, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
And I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine. Ain't got time.